day of the week. Big soft chair for when I'm old. Tackle box and a fishing pole. I don't care about the fortune or fame. I just don't wanna know my mailman's name. At Christmas time, I'm gonna leave him a gingerbread cookie. It don't sound like much, but it sure is heaven to me. Every now and then.
Well, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 of bringing down the new shop for Come On, Come On. We're gonna go ahead and grab this trailer right here that's full of the equipment we loaded yesterday. We're also gonna be grabbing Uber and taking the 10, and we're gonna be heading back up to Come On Mountain. We gotta get this stuff picked up. We gotta get this stuff organized because the rest of these walls gotta come down tomorrow. Let's go ahead and get this metal, jump on Uber, and get to the house. Let's get back to the house, guys. Now that we're back up here, we are gonna be putting all this material over there across the street where us drifting dreamers used to be located. That's gonna be the area for him to put his piles of goods. And for us able to lay everything down flat the way we're wanting it to, we're gonna need to go ahead and get a couple of pieces of wood so that we can lay the material on, just like we did right here. It keeps everything off the ground, keeps it in better shape. And we need it to last for a while, guys, because it is not going up for a while. All loaded up. You guys ready to go across the street? Let's check this out. Drop that emergency brake. I think he's gonna try to get this stuff a little bit closer over there. That's better. Maybe to be able to bring Uber around the other side. Let's find out. I like that. Now that's how you move something.
Better than the back.
Man. Back up. There we go. Hold up. Oh, there we go. This one? Yeah. You need to tilt it forward.
Tilt what?
Can you tilt your forks? Oh, never mind, you can't.
Down or up?
Down. There you go. Just tap it in.
Just gotta tap it in. I just used the tip.
Just a tip. Okay guys, we've got a lot of stuff already on top of it. We got all the roof decking on. We got the inner sheathing of the walls on. A couple of more 4x4s on. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and grab the chains. I'm gonna strap that stuff down a little bit. Uncle David's gonna pick up a little bit of garbage from right over there on that pile right there. And we're gonna get that into the new dumpster, guys. Let's get back to it. Okay guys, this is gonna be pretty butt puckering. These aren't gonna fit down the road. Time to bob and weave. All right guys, it's getting pretty butt puckering over there. Honestly, the road's just not really that wide to be able to take these trusses down like this. So Uncle David is gonna go ahead and jump on Uber. He's gonna go ahead and try to wind through here and dip and dodge them. I really don't want to be responsible for breaking them. So if they're gonna go down, come on, take his own stuff down.
Baddest tractor driver on you.
I gotta give it to you, Unc. You bobbed and weave all the way through that joker there.
Without even really stopping.
Man, that was incredible.
All right, let's go ahead and get a couple of runners down. I'm gonna put it down, leave them standing like that, leaned up against the tree there to keep them from working.
Good idea. There we go. Yep, put them right about there. I like it. We're starting to get a little boneyard now, guys. We got the trusses. We got all the metal over here. So this stuff is good to go. We got some scrap pile of garbage on this side. We still got the trailer loaded down right here. I'm not sure where we're gonna be unloading that one at yet, but we're getting it, guys. We are getting it, and this is the awesome subscriber who came up to give us a hand. They just arrived, guys. There they are. Let's find out what the next plan is. Well, lunch is over. We had us a good little hoagie slash sub sandwich again. When Uncle David and I went to Walmart, we still had some leftover turkey and ham, cheese, and some good spinach subs and stuff like that. But it's time to get on back down there, guys, because we got to get that garbage, and well, it's not even really garbage, just the excess building material that we're not going to use. We're going to go ahead and get it in the dumpster, guys, because guess what? We ain't got to go to the dump no more. I'll see you back down there. Okay, we made it back, guys. I never get tired of looking at this because I'm just so amazed at how much we really did. Look at that building. I know you've seen it a million times already in the last couple days, but it just really blows my mind how we really just kicked butt, man. But we're gonna go ahead and get this board thrown up here on Uber. We're gonna use this as a platform, put all the garbage in there, and get it taken on over to the dumpster. Time to get these kids off the bus soon. Dang! Who's that? What's up, guys? How was your day? Oh, you found a feather. That's pretty cool.
My teacher watched some of our videos.
Really? That's so cool. Hold on. Unlock it right there. Hey, y'all just wait right here.
What?
If you want. I mean, you can walk if you want, or you can wait and catch a ride back in the truck. Whatever you want to do, it don't matter. We're getting ready to throw this stuff in the dumpster real quick. Bless you, bless you.
Hey, guys.
You hang out, you can ride back on the tractor.
Huh?
If you want to hang out, you can ride back on the tractor, or you guys can just walk back to the house, whatever you...
I want to ride back on the tractor.
All right, well, you got to hang out. Let's unload this beast. What? Big giant spider?
It's a yellow spider. That's fun.
That is how there's always a drifter.
Ow! Drifter down. Dang it, man. One more again. Oh yeah!
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Mike hit the ground. Downstairs, like. All right, garbage is loaded up. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up for today, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the kids up and give them a ride back to the truck. Come on. Get it, sit on the back seat.
All aboard!
Just hold on.
Very good.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today. We put in some good work. We got everything picked up that we wanted to get picked up and organized. We're gonna go ahead and take it on back to the hacienda.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and get the insulation in the bags, and we're gonna take down this sucker and
Woo!
call it good. We're gonna get those other couple of things over there, but tomorrow should finish up this project. Not bad. They're about 2.5 days. Not too bad.
Nice.
I like it.
All right, son, you ready? Yeah, we'll sit in the back. Well, everybody, thanks for hanging out with us. We love you guys. We're gonna catch you on the next one. Serenity, Jacob, Talon, take it away, guys.
If you can dream it, you can drift it.
Bye.